That's the part.
Moving on to this one, again, simplicity, right? They don't, for example, these icons
Yeah.
of the airplane mode, the Wi-Fi, the internet, these are pretty common, unique icons for us now, so they don't have to kind of mention it or write it. So in 2.6, as we can see, the home, GPay, internet, torch, they didn't have to write a torch or a home, but they have, because that was their design system. That was the, as we were saying, kind of the fuller look, lots of bentos covering the entire screen. But in the 3, in model 3, they're using simpler icons, lesser space, so more negative space to breathe, good space utilization. I love that widget, that nothing year one, year A. That looks really good with the charging. They can show the charging as well, the left and the right, and it's good product visualization as well. So good direction, you would say, right?
Yeah, true. If we like deep dive into it, if you see in the left side in the 2.6, we can see the dot font is represented in the time
Yes.
format at the top. And what it makes is at the right above the battery percentage, it seems
Mm-hmm.
empty. Now what they have done is at the top where we can see the punch
Mm-hmm.
hole camera. So they have removed everything at
Right.
that angle and below it they have added it. So that's the first thing. Second thing is in the 2.6, we can see there are two sections. One is a darker one, another one is a lighter one. But in the new one, we can see it's total one thing. So users are not visually differentiated, but they are giving a unique and similar experience that we have seen in the previous screens.
Yeah.
So
Makes
that's
sense.
there.
It reduces, cognitive load, going from a dark screen to a light screen continuously. So that's a good iteration on the 3. Also, the swipe up thing, you can swipe up on the devices, the Bluetooth devices.
The
Hmm.
dots, they are showing the dots even that what others are
Would you
possible.
say,
We generally see that in
right?
image
Would you
scrolls
say
and
it would
all.
have been better in the horizontal way?
I have seen some of the concepts
Hmm.
of that, but I think this it would be
Hmm.
better because up
Right.
and
It's
down
difficult on that
motion
part of the
also
phone.
closes the yeah, it's difficult. Plus, they might mistakenly
That's
close the
possible.
whole
Hmm.
notification panel. So I don't know, like
Maybe.
maybe
Maybe
that
something to
would be
think of.
better. Yeah.
Interesting. The entire typeface has gotten away with it. That's the thing. I think they just loved the end dot font, the typeface, and they just run with it. In the first iterations, it was plastered everywhere. That looked cool, not gonna lie. But yes, now they're working more on their typography layouts as well.